Let's go, New York City 2026 blizzard. We're out here. I'm giving you live updates. This is about probably like 6 or 7 inches of snow on the ground right now. I think it's like 11:30 at night in Central Park. That over there. And as I can see right now, I am the only human being outside. I saw 2 people earlier, saw a plow truck, and as I see it right now, as I scan around and look around, I see nobody else. I'm actually very surprised. A city of 9 million people, I would think I would see another soul, but there's no one else as crazy as I. Let's go find somebody. Alright, my hand is getting cold. Oh look, there's somebody over there, at least in a little snow machine. Man, I wish they would give me a machine. I'll go clean up everything. Give me a machine and some 5-hour energy. I'll stay out here all night. Gotta go, my head is frozen.